Are you looking for the best Chinese dash cams? In this video we will look at some of the best Chinese dash cams on the market. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description. So make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. Number 1. Vantrue N4. All things considered, the Vantrue N4 is the best dashcam you can get on AliExpress right now. With its 4K ready camera, this dashcam records incredibly sharp and detailed footage at 30 frames per second. But its 4K setup is not why the Vantrue tops this list of the best AliExpress dashcams available today. Virtually all the cameras in this ranking ship with a 4K camera. Where the Vantrue N4 shines through is in the build quality and feature list department. Nothing comes close at this price point. The N4 is one of the very few dashcams to ship with an f1.4 aperture. If you're new to this, the aperture size tells you how wide the camera lens is, with smaller numbers indicating a wider lens, so the smaller the number, the better. More light going in allows this dashcam to shoot incredibly clear photos both in daylight and at night. It's also one of the very few AliExpress dashcams at this price point to spot both motion detection and collision detection in the same package. With motion detection, the N4 will automatically start recording footage if it detects motion in and around the front of your car when it's parked and turned off. Collision detection prompts the camera to record and save footage to a special protected location if it detects any collision. Both are really important features to have for 24-hour wide security. You also get an infrared night vision camera that captures footage from your vehicle's interior. This is all on top of the usuals you'd expect from a premium dashcam, including Wi-Fi connectivity, an integrated display, GPS functionality and support for 360 views via optional interior and rear cameras. There's little to hate on the N4, and for the price, you get absolute value for money spent. Number 2. Azdome M550. The Azdome M550 may fall slightly behind the Vantrue N4 when it comes to raw specifications, but when you consider the starting price of $120 and all that's included in the package, it checks out to be one of the best dashcam deals on AliExpress. Out of the box, the M550 comes with a full 360 view camera package. So you get an interior camera and a rear view camera in addition to the main front-facing camera. In most other dashcam packages, the Vantrue N4 included, interior and rear-facing cameras are additional, priced separately options. Footage quality is excellent. You get the same 4K video at 30 fps from the main camera as you would on the Vantrue. And although the camera here has a smaller aperture, f1.8, the footage is still bright and clear enough even in low light conditions. There's no true infrared night vision, though, but that's understandable given the price of this dashcam. You, however, get collision detection and 24-hour surveillance if you purchase the add-on power kit and root power for the dashcam from your fuse box. All the other party tricks are well accounted for as well. GPS, an integrated display and, as I already noted, full surround view with included in the box rear and interior cameras. I should note that both this dashcam and the Vantrue N4 we just covered have distinctly small form factors compared to other dashcams at this price range. As a result, they tuck in nicely under your headliner for discreet video recording. Number 3. Sameuo U2000. The Sameuo U2000 strips down to the basics for a truly pocket-friendly dashcam. You don't get the 4K footage, GPS functionality, infrared cameras, a touchscreen display, or motion detection you'd get with the other more premium dashcams on this ranking. What you do get is an excellent dashcam that does the ultimate basics of recording clear and crisp video footage. And for the best part, it cost only $39 when writing this. $39 gets you full HD video footage, shot by an impressive f1.6 camera. It is crystal clear and full of detail in bright sunlight, and while there's a noticeable drop in quality at nighttime, this thing still produces excellent low-light footage with its f1.6 camera. Add that to its integrated display, not touch-sensitive, collision sensing function, wireless connectivity and support for an optional rear camera, And you get why this is an awesome deal of a dashcam. Build quality is surprisingly good. It certainly surpasses expectations for a $39 dashcam, and because this thing cuts down on the extras, it's incredibly compact as well, with a design that allows it to fit snugly just under your headliner away from view. If you're short on cash and need a dashcam to do all that's required from a dashcam, you can't go wrong with the Sameuo U2000. It is a properly built dashcam that cuts down on the sometimes unneeded extras for a simple and cheap but still capable dashcam. Number 4. EASB28. Simple mass model of the dashcam with a large 4-inch display and 2 cameras, for shooting inside the cabin. With the function of picture-in-picture. You can optionally choose a gadget with an optional third rear view camera and a parking monitor module. Such a recording will come in handy. Accidents on the road, theft in a car, the need for evidence in court or the police. With the help of a special 2-lens camera, you can record not only on the road but also inside the cabin. Thus, traveling with the whole family can be made even more exciting, because every moment of your trip will be recorded on video. The G sensor allows you to react to a blow or any damage to your car, even if it is in a parking lot. This dashcam can be purchased in 3 versions with or without memory cards of 8, 16, 32 gigabytes. That turns the purchase into a handy designer with dozens of options and prices. Number 5. XIAOMI 70mm Smart Dashcam Pro. The most functional dashcam from XIAOMI. This model is the most advanced in the range of XIAOMI dashcam. It is equipped with a 2-inch screen, 5-megapixel Sony IMX335 sensor, a bright lens, f/1.8, the best microphone and a 2-core processor HiSilicon Hi3556. But the design decision not to bother much. It was watched by Korean flagship Thinkware F800. Here, the same bevel trapeze of the body and the protruding around the lens. But that's just appearance. The 70mm Cam Pro supports encoding technology that can improve video compression efficiency. The dashcam gives you a good quality picture, and it sees even more than we can see with our own eyes. The angle of view is 140 degrees. The screen is not a touch screen. Navigation buttons are on the bottom panel. There is a voice control function, automatic fixation when motion is detected. There is a G sensor, but there's no built-in GPS module. However, it can be purchased on AliExpress separately, as well as the GPS plus GPRS module.